You may think you're looking at a normal outboard motor, but this is an old 61 Evinrude 5.5 horse lower end with a brand new 173cc 4-stroke vertical shaft engine on it. Just finished it yesterday and it's running good. We're just idling right now. Let's put it into gear. Rotor forward. Revs up to it. Back down to an idle. Neutral. There's reverse. All complete with the throttle hooked up to the tiller handle as a regular motor should be. And we have our kill switch here too. Very simple. Maybe I'll start mass producing them.